Just so I'm clear, is this Sammy's subs? Oh, good. Then I'd like to speak with Sammy. So if I understand correctly, there is no one named Sammy, but Sammy is another name for a sandwich. I just bought myself a new refrigerator. Yes, I can hold. I have anywhere from 7 to 28 minutes of free time due to the circumstances I currently find myself in. Very good. That one had a little bit of a trailer. Yes, I'm still here. You are welcome. Yes, I just bought myself a new refrigerator. It's the first major purchase that I have made since my wife is no longer with me. No, she is not dead. She left me for another man, a much younger chap. Based on the messages that I have received from my wife, he is in very good shape. A strapping young man. Lots of energy. There is this image in my head that I've always wanted to give life to after watching many movies and TV shows. What I'd really love is when they open up the refrigerator door and in there lies in a shiny white plate a very appealing and what I would presume to be an extremely delicious sandwich. Cut in half. Presented so you can see all the delicious meats and accompaniments on full display. Wrapped in white butcher paper. I'm thinking roast beef. I'm wondering if that goes good with rosé. Well, my wife used to do all the cooking for me. To tell you the truth, I have not been eating that well. I'm so hungry. I have lost 5 pounds.